Thanksgiving 2020 is just around the corner. For our Thanksgiving celebration, I would like to tweak our basic Thanksgiving elements and put a little Filipino spin into it. Now, for my taste, it's a better substitute. Don't be mad at me, but to the typical pumpkin pie. Honestly, I'm not into pumpkin pies. I'm not into pumpkin drinks. I'm not into pumpkin drinks. I'm not into pumpkin coffee. And I know it's almost sacrosanct for many people, but for me, I just don't get into it. Maybe it's my Asian upbringing and my Filipino upbringing, because we saute them, we cook them for a meal and not for dessert. So I figured for Thanksgiving, I wanted to replace delectable and juicy and tasty pumpkin for many into something that's purely Filipino, and that is replacing it with ube. Ube is a root crop. It belongs in the family of sweet potatoes. If sweet potatoes are orange in color or yellow in color, ube is purple, bright to deep purple in color that we Filipinos like. It's quintessential Filipino for many desserts. And so for today's video, I am replacing pumpkin with ube and making ube plus another fruit and another crop that I like, figs. Combining the earthy flavor of ube plus the Mediterranean deep savory flavor of figs was a winner, and I highly recommend folks to try this. Ube can be bought and found in many Asian stores, and I wanted you to consider. But I'd like to show you what I did. You know, typically pies for Thanksgiving is what I call an open pie, but this time around I also wanted to put a little Filipino twist to it, because Filipinos are very artisanal weavers. Weavers of rattan, weavers of bamboo, weavers of grass material. And I want to celebrate the artisanal qualities and the artisanal talents of the Filipinos by weaving something on top of my pie. So I hope you like this video. I hope it's eye-catching, but I can guarantee it is good to have for dessert for any good meal during the holidays.